Okay, so when we talk about this idea of writing a paper, here's the order in which you will do things. First you'll select a topic, then you're going to gather an evidence, you're going to write your claim, you're going to organize your evidence, write your body paragraphs, write your intro paragraph, write conclusion paragraph, and you will be done. So every paper you write, from ELD 3.4 in 2022 to the time you graduate college or get your master's degree or get your PhD or write a book or whatever you do, this is how every paper you write will work. You're always going to have your intro paragraph, and it usually should include these three things: your hook, your thesis, or your claim, and then how you're going to accomplish this. Then your body paragraphs. Most papers you write should have between three and sky's the limit, guys. I say between 300,000 and 300,000. My master's thesis was like 40 pages, and I don't know how many body paragraphs it had. Probably I don't know, a couple hundred. It could be any amount, and then your conclusion, where you'll restate your thesis, you'll restate your how, and you give your closing thought. This is every paper you write for the rest of your life. Okay. So when you're looking at your outline, you're going to have your hook, your claim, and your how. So if I had the claim of understanding the Montgomery bus boycott can make one a better anti-racist, that's my claim. Then I'm going to start working on my body paragraphs. So that's where I'm going to start looking for evidence, direct quotes. So if I were to use this direct quote, the success in Montgomery inspired other African American communities in the South to protest racial discrimination and galvanize the direct nonviolent resistance phase of the civil rights movement. This was from an article in Encyclopedia Britannica. So what you are going to want to do is use direct quotes from your readings. At this point in your English career, I want you to use direct quotes. When you get into college, or maybe if you take like AP English, they might have you use more summaries. But for this point of where you are, I want you to use direct quotes. Okay? And I want you to use direct quotes from your bibliography. So that's why I had you put that together, so you can look at your sources now. You remember what they were about, and you can find quotes from there. Okay? So now I put together my topic sentence. Understanding the Montgomery boycott can make one a better anti-racist because one great effort inspires others. Okay? So if understanding the Montgomery boycott can make one a better anti-racist was my claim, now in my topic sentence, or now in my body paragraph, I'm giving a reason for this. Okay? If you do every one of your paragraphs this way, you're going to find that you have stronger body paragraphs and therefore a stronger paper. All right, guys, good luck.